Hey everybody, I'm going to be working on this Miata today. If you did not know, I bought this Miata for $350 and I'm going to be adding a lot of these parts to my red Miata, which I'll probably put a photo up any second now to the future James editing. So let's go and get started. Alrighty, so this is my anti-roll bar thing. So this is going to be a size 13, as you can see here, millimeter. So we're just going to take this off. The previous owner decided to add some brass looking bolts right there, so nuts rather. So yeah. Alrighty, so I'm just going to use this old stuff that has a hole in it back here. I'm going to get some silver polish now. Going to get some of that. And we're just going to start rubbing. So what you always want to do when you install this is you always want to lift the car so you can take the weight off the wheels and stuff where the car just comes up and bends. You want it to be at its moment where it's completely flat with no stress, so then this can be the most effective and it will be easier to install. So I have one big jack over there, as you can see. That one can't go up underneath the car properly, so I have that smaller one. I'm going to lift the car up with that. Then I'm going to get the big jack, and then I'm going to get the small jack and go to the other side and then lift it, and hopefully it will be the same height with no stress. So let's see how this goes. Well, at least these brass ones will fit, so I guess I'll just use these. And I'll find that about, well, 10 years from now. Oh my goodness, y'all, it actually works. Let's go. Alright, so the previous size, the non-brass looking ones, they were a 14mm, so that should be on your stock Miata. These are aftermarket. I don't know where the guy got it that for the car I just bought, but they're 13mm, so a little bit different size, but should all work out. Quick update, we ended up finding the other missing bolt, so forget that 10 years from now I find it. We have it. So now we have to just adjust everything properly. Let's see if the hood will even close properly. I would say it will. There we go.